Here's how you check if a descaler is right for your coffee machine. There are so many options on the market. Make sure what you are buying is generally right for you. Number 1, compatibility. Make sure the descaler is designed for your exact coffee machine. The correct descaler will protect your machine and keep your coffee temperature hot. Number 2, here's something most people don't know. Cleaning and descaling are two very different things. The cleaning pod removes coffee oils and residues from the brewing system. The descaler removes limescale and mineral buildup from your heating system. Your brewer needs both to work at its best. But before you buy, make sure to check. Does it clean, descale, or do both? Number 3, safe ingredients. A quality descaler is kind to your machine and your coffee. Look for odourless formulas without phosphates or chlorine, especially those with premium lactic acid rather than standard citric acid. Gentle and effective formulas will make your machine last longer. Number 4, performance. A descaler isn't just about removing limescale. It should optimize your coffee machine's performance. Don't wait for the descale light to start flashing. Descale even before it comes on, ideally every 2 to 4 months, so that mineral buildup cannot block your heating system and pipes. The right descaler will keep your machine brewing at ease without any blockages, so you can enjoy your coffee fresh and hot. Number 5, brand transparency. Trust matters. Look for brands that show real product photos and not just stock images. Do they have quality control in-house? Are there independent test results? And more importantly, would they happily share those with you? At Caffenu, innovation and quality drives everything we do. We create, test, and quality control every product ourselves. Remember, this descaler goes to the machine that brews your daily coffee. If it doesn't meet these checks, don't use it. If it passes them all, congratulations, you are protecting your machine and your coffee the best way possible.